Today I'm going to knowing and enabling a new topic, that is Microsoft Power BI. Many of students, professionals, industry experts, they are trying to seeing an expectation in visualization too. What is Power BI and how we should know? Hey everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. So Power BI is a visualization tool for the data visualization tool to enabling data insights. The Power BI, which is developed by Microsoft Corporation, and as you know that Microsoft products all are very easy to learn and easy to apply in working environments. So Microsoft Power BI using huge sets of data, taking the huge sets of data in terms of maybe Excel spreadsheet data, like Microsoft SQL Server database data, or raw files text files, notepad files, these type of data, CSV files data, and similarly any other database systems also, so many resources which is taking as an input to collect the data. This Power BI tool having such a great feasibilities to collect the data and doing simply I can say that purifying or cleaning the data and transforming this data into the visualization part by making the charts, models, cleaning. These all are with the easy steps. By understanding how to start this Power BI is initiative steps. If you take an initiative to taking what data insights, very easily simplifying and cleaning this data and making beautification, getting an analytical informations, analytical reports with ease, and also we can prepare charts for better decision making understandings. As you know that most of the possibility higher end teams managers or decision makers, they need to see the data, not boring rows and columns Excel data. All you have to see visualization in charts. By seeing the chart pie chart, bar charts, sales report, whatever it you are making, with easy steps if you follow by doing using this Power BI, yes, you can do it fingertips only. There is no need expertise in coding. If you don't know the coding, yes, you can start learn and apply the great successful techniques. At the same time, huge data sets you can apply. Various resources it is going to be collected. Majorly all you have to focus in Microsoft Power BI, there is three components are there, which are Power BI Desktop and Power BI Services and Power BI Cloud Component Services, which is online enabled services where you can share these documents with the working and apply the cloud these reports, and your team collaboration works can be done easily. Much more feasibilities and facilities are available in professional version also. So try with Microsoft Power BI Desktop, learn the fundamentals and apply. Then you move on to the next commercials for taking a professional license and all. It will save you a lot of time where in your work area that you have to concentrate. The Power BI is useful for business professionals, marketing strategists who wants to know with the insights data. At the same time HR panels and visualizations, decision makers entrepreneurs or who needs to take a decision with the large sets of data. So all you need to learn very easy. So try today. Thank you.